Tomodachi Game is actually a game show and not some sort of crazy scientific experiment that's breaking the laws of ethics. Tomodachi Game spoilers ahead in 3, 2, 1, let's go! So over the last 2 episodes, we've come to notice that it wasn't really a debt that was needed to be settled, and that's why these guys were taken into Tomodachi Game, but rather, it was because Tenji took the 2 million yen and signed them up for this game that they were put into the Tomodachi Game to break their friendship. And in this second game, it's been abundantly clear that there is an audience watching this game and also taking part as an audience poll. So this means that Tomodachi Game is being streamed live to an audience who is just enjoying everything that's happening, and on top of the 2 million yen that they took from the participants to play this cruel game, they're also making money on top of that by streaming this game for people to watch. And I mean, yeah, there are some loopholes onto why this might not be a game. It could actually be an experiment, because I mean, for all we know, it could be that just for this one game, they brought in an audience as part of the experiment. But in the first game, there weren't any audience members watching the game, but we might not know that because there just wasn't any audience poll section, so they might have been watching quietly. And another hole is that if Tomodachi Game is really just a game that's being streamed for people to watch and enjoy people's friendships being broken, because who wants to enjoy that? But apparently people do. But if the question is, if this game is being streamed, how come no one else other than Tenji knew about this to sign them up? And the answer to that could be that it's maybe just streamed to an exclusive group of people, like maybe the highly elite, like in Squid Game, only the rich get to watch this, and Tenji somehow found out about it, or had someone who watched it, or maybe he watched it and signed his friends up so he could break Shiho's friendship. Honestly, for now, that's one of the theories I'm going to go with, because aside from why Tenji's doing what he's doing and wanting to understand what's going to happen to their friendship, one of the biggest questions we have to ask is, what is Tomodachi Game really?